Turn trash into treasure. Build a chicken coop. It's Heather, and today we're building a chicken coop out of trash. Let's dive right in. Looking to save money and still get fresh organic eggs every day? I'll show you how to build a chicken coop from free and salvaged materials. Operation Treasure Hunt, finding free building supplies. Before we fire up those power tools, let's talk about what we need. First on our list, wooden pallets. Sturdy, versatile and free. Check online marketplaces, construction sites. Always ask for permission first, or even your local grocery store. Next up, scrap wood. Got an old bookshelf or a rickety table? Repurpose them as structural support for your coop. Don't forget about the chicken wire. This is essential for keeping your chickens in and predators out. You can often find used chicken wire online or at farm supply stores. And last but not least, keep your eyes peeled for any other treasures you can repurpose. Old furniture, doors, windows, you name it. It can probably be incorporated into your coop. Remember, creativity is key here, people. Let's turn trash into a chicken palace. Laying the foundation pallets, to the rescue. All right, materials secured, it's time to build the coop's foundation. We'll start by disassembling some of the pallets to get the individual planks. A crowbar and a hammer will be your best friends for this step. Once you've got your planks ready, it's time to build the frame. You can make it any size you want, depending on how many chickens you're planning to house. I like to use the measure twice, cut once method here, unless you're going for the measure once. Hope for the best method, which, let's be honest, is more my style. Now, we need to add some support beams to the frame. This is where those scrap wood pieces come in handy. Cut them to size and secure them to the frame with screws or nails. With the frame built, it's time to attach the pallets. These will form the walls and floor of your coop. Make sure to secure them tightly to the frame using screws or nails. You want to create a sturdy structure that can withstand the elements and the occasional curious raccoon. Before you know it, you'll have a solid, level foundation ready for its feathery residence. And the best part, it's made entirely from recycled materials. With the foundation built, it's time to give those chickens some privacy and protection from the elements. For this step, we'll be using more of those salvaged materials we found earlier. Remember that stack of old signs we snagged from that abandoned store? Those are about to become walls. Secure them to the frame using screws or nails. Got any leftover plastic panels from that backyard project gone wrong? Perfect. These can be used to create a water-resistant barrier on the sides of your coop. Now, let's talk roofing. For this, we'll be using corrugated metal sheets. They're durable, weather-resistant, and you can often find them for free or cheap at salvage yards. Plus, they give the coop that rustic, farmhouse chic vibe, right? If you're feeling extra ambitious, you can even add some insulation to the roof using leftover cardboard or old blankets. Hey, every little bit helps, right? Okay, folks, we're in the home stretch. The coop structure is complete, and now it's time to add those finishing touches that will make our chickens feel like they've checked into a 5-star hotel. First up, nesting boxes. These are where your chickens will lay their delicious organic eggs. And what better to use than old milk crates or buckets? They're the perfect size, durable and readily available. Just give them a good cleaning, add some soft bedding like straw or wood shavings, and you're good to go. Next, we need to give those chickens a place to rest their weary wings after a long day of pecking and scratching. Sturdy branches or scrap wood pieces make excellent perches. Just make sure to secure them well to the coop walls and space them out evenly so your chickens aren't playing musical perches all night long. And here's a pro tip. Add a layer of sand or dirt to the coop floor. Chickens love to dust bathe, which helps keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. Plus, it makes cleaning the coop a whole lot easier. All right, we're so close to having this coop ready for move-in day. But before we release the chickens, there's one crucial step we can't forget. Predator proofing. Remember, a happy chicken is a safe chicken. And we don't want any unwanted visitors sneaking into our coop for a midnight snack. First line of defense, ditch that flimsy plastic netting. We're going with heavy-duty wire mesh, folks. This stuff is like Fort Knox for chickens. Wrap it around the entire coop, securing it tightly to the frame with staples or nails. But don't stop there. Those raccoons are crafty, so we've got to be craftier. Dig a trench around the perimeter of the coop, about 6 to 12 inches deep. This will deter any digging predators from trying to tunnel their way in. Now for the finishing touch, a secure door and latch. Trust me, a simple hook and eye won't cut it. We need something strong and predator-proof. You can buy a pre-made coop door, or get creative and build your own using scrap wood and a sturdy latch mechanism. And there it is, a fully functional, budget-friendly chicken coop made entirely from recycled materials. This project is perfect for backyard chicken keepers looking to save money while living sustainably. We've managed to turn someone else's trash into a treasure for our feathered friends. Remember, building a chicken coop doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. If you loved this DIY chicken coop tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly homesteading tips. Have your own upcycled coop ideas? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check the video description for links to helpful resources and more DIY projects.